Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Figma to design an app. Let's get started. First, on your browser, search for the Figma and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, create one for free. And on your Figma dashboard, click a new file to start a fresh design. Frames are like your screens. Choose the appropriate device size, such as iPhone, Android, or tablet. This sets the canvas for your app design. And here you can use the prompt box or notes to describe the app's purpose, target users, and key features. This will guide your design choices. You can also use the rectangles, buttons, text, icons from the left-hand toolbar to build your interface. Arrange the elements to create headers, menus, buttons, and input fields. You can drag and drop images and illustrations for your app. Also, to customize the design, you can change the colors, fonts, size, and the right-hand panel. And use the Figma components to reuse elements across screens. Copy the frames to create additional screens for your app, like login, home, profile, and settings. And click preset at the top right corner to see how your apps works interactively. Test the navigation and flow before finalizing. And you can now share your app design by clicking the share icon to send it to your teammates or developers. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.